Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day, no matter what time zone you're watching me from. Whether it's morning or evening, I hope you're having a great day, a great night, a great morning. I'm excited to share with you what I will be doing for this week. So in about a half an hour, I am going to get picked up and going about 90, I'm not 100% with the kilometers yet, but about an hour and a half north of Chiang Mai, where I have been, and I will be volunteering at the Elephant Nature Park for this week. So for 6 days, I will be living there on the elephant rescue. I'll be help preparing their food and whatever other chores and tasks that they need done. So please note that the elephantnaturepark.org is a nonprofit organization that is to care and to take care of elephants that have either been mistreated or are ill and cannot be released into the wild. It is not a place where you're going to go and ride elephants. If you are interested, I will put the link below. If you're interested, you can go on just a visit out there for a half a day. You can volunteer and stay overnight, or you can do what I'm doing and you can stay there for an entire week. And it is a nonprofit, so there is a charge for the week that I'm staying there, and that covers my accommodation and 3 meals. And so all of that information will be in the link below, and it's the elephantnaturepark.org. And I'm very excited to share with you this experience because I certainly have never done anything like this before. So let's go. I don't even know what to say. Let's go hang out with some elephants for the week. All right, everybody, have an awesome day, and I will see you in a little bit. KFC, Dunkin' Donuts, 7-Eleven. ชาติเลยนะช้อปปิ้งเสร็จเชิญหน้านี้กันก่อนได้นะคะลูกค้าเป็นที่โดนัทมีโปรโมชั่นสุดคุ้มเลยค่ะซื้อของชิ้นละ
salad này. Là đi đến đây có được đi này. Gì phải ăn cái này lên lên. I just talk about the shop. Her name J-On. 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 J-On.
We just finished going through orientation, and so look how lovely this is. There's, at the high seasons, there's like 50 people or more, but because it's low season right now, there's only 15 or 13 of us, so we all are getting our own room. So I have my own room for the week. This is nice. There's no AC. Wow. I thought I was gonna have a little bed with a mosquito net, so I'm quite pleased. I didn't even know I was gonna have my own bathroom. So I also have my own bathroom. This is a butterfly garden. I should say butterflies and bees. Let them get a little bit more ripe, or... Oh, there's pineapples in here too. These are all bananas. More bananas. So the elephant, he wants something over here he's not supposed to have. He's being a little bit stubborn. So he's trying to get him to move along. He keeps whacking at him with the tail. It's like, no, I want to go over there. Oh, look at the baby over there. He keeps whacking him with the tail. That's so funny. I think he's pretty trusting to walk behind him, huh? Or her, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I think it's actually a female. She's very stubborn. Well, welcome to Elephant Nature Park. Hand washing stations here. Right here is where you meet the lady that will do laundry. 40 baht for, I think it's 2 pounds, roughly 2 pounds when I did the conversion. This gate is open right now. You're not supposed to go in there without a guide, but there's an elephant right on the other side. And here's the map. So there's over 700 dogs here, over 2,000 cats, 127 elephants. There are water buffalo, goat, sheep. So it's not just an elephant sanctuary, of course. That's its most well known. And this land was donated from Bert and Christine von Romer from the state of Texas in 2003. This building over here in front of us is where we're sleeping for all the volunteers that are here for my room is this one, which I showed you a little while ago. There's a smoking area overlooking the river, and then next to it is a non-smoking area overlooking the river. And at 4:30, a lot of the elephants are brought down for the evening. So let me explain this. I'm going to turn you around and explain this. But here's my backdrop for a week. Bananas. This whole area in here is all for making food for the elephants. Kinda couldn't have timed that any better. See, it's just right. Now we are only allowed to go halfway across this bridge. We're not allowed on the other side. And so there's our elephant kitchen. And I'm sure I'll be working in there at some point. Tomorrow we will be taking a walk out there to meet the elephants. And this one's coming right over. So just remember that a lot of these elephants have been abused to their hair. Pretty much all of them in some way, shape, or form were orphaned. A lot of them are blind. A lot of them were chained. The oldest one they have is 90 years old. The average elephant lives to be about 70. Because their food is specially prepared here, they are able to live longer. This elephant was the one that we saw earlier, so she's having a little bit of some issues today. But yes, she's obviously, this is the second time I've seen her today. And they just went over and fed the elephants down that way, as you saw, but she is being stubborn and is like, I'm not coming out of the river. Not doing it. This is Mahout. It's another Mahout. Every elephant is a person, has a person. It just follows them all day. And that guy in the front was in the water with them, making sure they were. So happy. I know. I don't care.
My kids know I'm there. I've got 90 elephants at home.
Oh, really?
So, was that good?
Oh, there's more.
Oh, there is two, another 3.
It's like 9 of them now. That's amazing. Oh, wow.
Hello, gorgeous.
So right now, this is the family, and there's a skywalk way up ahead. So at the end of the day, they walk down the river to go to their shelter for the evening. This guy, the little one right here, is a poser.
Hello, gorgeous.
So they're walking down the river, and then they'll come out on the other side, and then they'll go to their shelter for the night. Oh my. Wow. We get to do this every night for a week. I'll be like, 4:30, gotta go. No more shoveling poop. I gotta go to the river.
Yeah. Make them sticks as they go along. I don't want to lose the end of my stick. I think I'm going to change my mind. These are red elephants. That one's an old one. Look at the front of his head. That one and the next one. They're gorgeous.
Oh, this one's making his own route. Like, I'm
I
gonna
thought
go
I
this
saw
way.
elephant footprints there.
Like, I'm done.
You're going to get up? No, I can't really get under there.
Oh,
We'll
he's
have
just
to go
been
back and
bathing all day in the
clean
mud.
toenails.
Look at how, yeah, he just had a pedicure.
Mm.
Here, reward for the swim. Cute. Probably 1,000 cucumbers. Oh, there's still some. Still some right down there. Everyone's taking a few for late night snack.